In this guide, I'll show you how to fix analog stick drift on your Xbox controller by taking it apart and cleaning it. So the first thing you want to do is remove these rear hand grips. So with a wedge, press down on the R2 button, and then you want to press out away from your controller until it's removed. Now the first time you do this, it'll be a little bit difficult, but it'll be easier the next time you do it. So now we're going to take out the batteries because there is a screw underneath this sticker. So you'll see 2 on each side and 1 in the center, 5 in total. So after you've removed these screws, the faceplate on the front of the controller should come off easily, and now you have access to the analog sticks. So you can take off these rubber grips, they'll come off effortlessly, and once you've removed them, now you'll have access to the analog stick and the potentiometer, and this entire mechanism is what we're going to clean. So with a compressed air can or electronic contact cleaner, what you want to do is spray in the sections where dirt, dust, or debris buildup could occur. And what I recommend you do is press to each side, so up, down, left, and right, and spray into those sections to try and remove anything that may have collected there. So once you've cleaned both analog sticks, you can put the Xbox controller faceplate back on, and then you want to flip over your controller and reattach the 5 screws on the back. So after you've done that, you can put the batteries back in with the battery cover, and then you want to reattach the hand grips on the back by simply pressing them into place. Now, if you're still experiencing stick drift at this point, you may have to replace parts in your controller or just bring it in for repair. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.